Okay, starting off today, same setup as last time. Got the pack bait on the feeder. I made it a little bit more doughy this time. I added more oats so it's not as sticky. Hopefully it'll come off a little bit quicker. And then I've got a 20-pound leader braided line to a 1/0 octopus J hook with a few pieces of corn on it. That's it. That's all there is to it. Get these poles out. Secret tip I'll let you in on. To increase our chances of getting a bite, we're going to walk way down there and explore a little bit. One of these poles will go down.
It's big.
Got one. First fish of the day from the field side too.
Oh my god.
Keep fighting them. Just keep your rod tip up and just keep tension on the line. You don't have to pull them in real fast.
Oh god.
What we got here? Common carp. Common carp, boy. Nice one.
Hey, no.
Nice one, nice one, nice one. Hook perfect, right in the corner of the mouth. Okay, let me go.
I swear this one's the pole that I was using, right?
Awesome. What do you think about that? Was that cool?
Yeah.
Nice.
I kind of expected it to be way bigger. Guess what? It got
Pretty good one though.
Yeah, that's. So let me get the hook off. Dang,
He's
you're
hooked.
bleeding quick.
No, he's hooked perfect. He's hooked right in the corner of the mouth.
Yeah, that's where you always want. Oh, you got
Here, you hold the GoPro and I'll back up a little bit. You hold the GoPro and I will unhook them.
Wow.
He was hooked perfect.
I know.
Right in the lip. I don't know why he's bleeding so bad. Must have sensitive lips.
Yeah, he was a tough fight.
It's a nice common right there. I wanted to bring the scale, but I did forget the scale. So we're not gonna know how much he weighed, but I'd say 5-6 pounds.
No, it's like 10 pounds.
Okay, or 10 pounds. We'll call it 10. How about that?
Yeah.
Pretty common too. Nice colors.
Yeah, and the best thing is I got him right in the corner of the mouth.
Yeah, perfect hook set.
Alright, bye bud.
Here, just let them back easy. Don't throw them. Just step out there a bit and set them down. Watch them swim off.
Go, bud. Wow, he was beautiful.
There he goes. Cool. Good job. Knuckles. Fish number one.
Go, go.
This is a nice fish. He's ran through that other line. Here, let me go under you. Hold this up. Hold that up and let me go under you. Let me go under you.
Okay, Dad, this one's
Now
enough.
let me go back under you again, okay? All right.
Dad, this one's enough.
Yeah, just go ahead and set that pole back down. We'll check it here in a minute. This is a nicer fish right here. See if you can spin that. Or you want to go ahead and pick that GoPro up on the cord? Hey, go ahead and pick the GoPro up and you can record. Okay.
Where is it?
Right there, the GoPro. Just hold it.
I think that might have been the one who snapped the line.
No, I think that one was even bigger than this one. I wish we would have brought our scale. This is, I think this is bigger than that other common I caught the other last weekend.
But, oh, that's bigger than the one I caught.
Yeah. A little bit nicer of a fish.
Okay, hold on.
Here, let me try to. I'll try to get this thing set up where it can, where we don't have to hold it.
Oh, I like them scales. Oh! Hey.
All right.
Woo! Pretty nice common, Dad.
Pretty nice common. Yeah, I'd say.
Like 10 pounds?
No, he's 6 or 7 pounds, something like that.
Man, he is fat for 6 or 7 pounds.
Yeah, he is pretty thick. It's the second one of the day. The last bite we had.
I kind of lost.
Well, no, not that bite, but the bite before this fish we just caught. The dude, he busted
snapped.
off 30-pound line like it was nothing. So,
Butter.
wish we could have got that one, but we didn't. But
Yeah. At first, I thought it was this one. Look at that.
nice common. Get him back.
Can I release him?
Yeah. Hang on just a second.
Thanks, boy.
Okay. All right, go ahead.
Bye, bud. Thanks.
Hang on.
Are you ready? Whoa! Well, that was quicker.
There he goes. He's pulling drag. Here, hold up here. Hold your other hand up here. Got our line. Take it up.
Now we both have the same exact one.
Well, I'm trying to figure out how to set the line.
Oh, whoa! Come here, boy.
Hang on. I'm trying to figure out how to set the line. Give me a second, okay? Try not to think a whole lot. Okay. He's all yours. Tangled in that up line too.
Nice!
He's all tangled in that other line.
Ooh.
Hey, we finally caught one on the bait caster.
Yep, that was your dream. Oh, he is strong! Oh, right in the corner, right?
Yeah, it's perfect. Perfect hook set.
Dang,
Hook
they have
easy.
sensitive mouths.
Just let me I gotta get this hook.
And then I can hold him up.
Yeah. Get these lines untangled. That didn't take long. That bait caster was only out for, what, 2 minutes?
3.
Oh, sorry, yeah, probably more like 3 minutes, 12 minutes. Didn't take long.
Daddy,
Hold him up here nice for the camera, sideways. Common carp.
it was a tough bite.
Yeah.
He tangled up all in the lines.
Yeah, tangled up every line we had out.
Yep, so we probably
Nice.
have a disadvantage.
Another one, that's 4 or 5 pounds, I'd say. About 5-pounder.
Like probably 8 or 7.
Yeah.
Probably. Okay.
Probably like 28 pounds.
Hey,
Alright, let's let him go.
bad. I think he's gonna speed up like that. Ah,
There he goes.
I knew it. I knew he would speed up like that.